We get some new polarizing leaks of what to expect for the Samsung Galaxy S10 selfie cameras. Xiaomi will be releasing a phone with a 48 megapixel camera very soon. Yeah, you heard that right. And Honor just pretty much teased that they're already working on a 48 megapixel camera on a phone as well. I'm Jaime Rivera in studio number 2 with the worst allergies ever. But you know the way it goes. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by Swappa. The official news today begin with deals. It's all about the Razer Phone 2. It's now $100 off in tons of retailers. But the interesting part is that in addition to that part, well, the company has just pushed out one of the major software updates that claims to fix everything when it comes to the camera. Better HDR performance, better everything, up to the point where I was planning to do that review this week. And now I'm gonna definitely, I really want to give it a try now. So yeah, Razer Phone 2, stay tuned and I'll let you know if it's worth it. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy A8s. The worst name in smartphone history was pretty much just announced. It got teased hours before the event, and another thing happened an hour before the event that I'll let you know later. Most important thing is we've got 3 cameras at the back. We've got that punch hole in the front. We've got a Snapdragon 710 processor. Specifications are actually not bad. I really am curious as to what markets are getting this phone. And yeah, the punch hole it's huge. And yes, let's talk about Honor, as the company has just surprised everybody. 1 hour before the Galaxy A8s was announced, sorry about that, Honor pretty much just teased their View 20. And yeah, it's going to be announced in a couple of weeks officially, but they pretty much teased that the punch hole is coming to that phone, and according to Honor, they're going to launch it before everybody else. We're talking about a Kirin 980 processor, which is already making the Huawei Mate 20 Pro look really good, but most important, 48 megapixel camera. 48 megapixel camera. So yeah, that's even got more megapixels than the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So all right, this is a way to grab some headlines, and it looks really good in the teaser. Stay tuned for that. And now let's move the spotlight over to Xiaomi, as well, they have already claimed as well that they're launching a 48 megapixel camera on a phone. It's apparently going to launch early next year, and this, by the way, with this company's CEO. The most interesting part is, yes, I mean, we know that Sony launched the sensor. Xiaomi collaborates a lot with Sony, so I am expecting for that Sony sensor to be the one that we're getting here. And even though there don't seem to be any plans for this to launch in the United States, apparently we're going to get it in the time frame of CES, so stay tuned. And finally, the hot news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S10, the gift of rumors that keeps on giving. This time particularly because, so you saw those punch holes that we are now seeing on the A8s. I hope I don't have to say this name again. But anyways, it seems that that's not going to be the final design for the S10. And we've seen a ton of leaks, but now we've got famous tipster Evan Blass showing us 3 models. 3 of them with the punch hole in the middle, which I find to be more symmetrical. I'm not saying that they look better or worse. It's just once Evan Blass grabs some stuff, I really trust his leaks. And so yeah, it seems that the punch hole is in the middle, but according to Evan Blass, none of these units are the 5G variants. So there's still one more to see, and that could be the one with the punch hole on the right, which is rumored to have a larger display. Let us know in the comments down below. Punch hole on the side, punch hole in the middle. Which one do you like the most? In my case, I don't like either, but I'll take the center, in my opinion. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know yours. And folks, before we end this video, we would love to thank our sponsor, Swappa, for making this content possible. Now that we have new iPhones out, Apple has discontinued some of our favorite models of the iPhone X, iPhone 6s Plus, and the iPhone SE. You could still get these phones in a gently used condition over at Swappa. Click out the link in the description below to learn more about Swappa's awesome iPhone offerings. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.